Good morning, good afternoon. Ayan, ang dami kong nakikita na post kung ano daw yung partnership ads. Yung partnership ads ko, ayun yung branded content ads. Yung di ba meron yung mga nag-ano tayo na mga branded content. Ayan yun. Ang branded content ads are now called partnership ads. Yun. Kaya mayroon tayong tools ngayon na partnership ads ang nakalagay. Partnership ads allow advertisers to run ads with creator, brands, and other businesses. The advertiser and partner accounts are featured in the ads header, and the ads leverage signal from both accounts for improved ranking and incremental performance. Yan, yun. Kasi di ba tayo tanong ng tanong, oy, ano kaya